10 Rules to launch your course successfully. Launching a course successfully requires careful planning, preparation, and execution. Here are 10 rules to help you launch your course effectively. Understand your audience. Conduct thorough market research to understand your target audience's needs, preferences, and pain points. Tailor your course content and marketing strategies to address these specific needs and provide value to your audience. Create high-quality content, develop engaging, informative, and well-structured course materials that deliver on your promises. Use a variety of teaching methods and multimedia elements to keep your students engaged and facilitate learning. Build anticipation. Generate excitement and anticipation for your course before the launch date. Utilize teaser campaigns, sneak peeks, and countdowns to build anticipation and create buzz around your course. Provide valuable pre-launch content. Offer free or discounted content related to your course topic to showcase your expertise and provide value upfront. This can help attract potential students and build trust in your brand. Develop a marketing plan. Create a comprehensive marketing plan that includes various promotional channels and tactics such as email marketing, social media, content marketing, partnerships, and advertising. Tailor your messaging and strategies to reach your target audience effectively. Offer early bird discounts or bonuses. Encourage early enrollment by offering special discounts, bonuses, or limited time offers to incentivize prospective students to sign up before the official launch date. Leverage social proof. Gather testimonials, case studies, and success stories from previous students or beta testers to demonstrate the value and effectiveness of your course. Use social proof to build credibility and trust with potential students. Engage with your audience. Foster engagement and interaction with your audience throughout the pre-launch and launch phases. Respond to questions, comments, and inquiries promptly, and create opportunities for dialogue and community building. Provide exceptional customer support. Offer outstanding customer support to address any issues or concerns that arise before, during, and after the launch. Provide multiple channels for support, such as email, live chat, and discussion forums, and strive to exceed your students' expectations. Monitor and iterate. Track key metrics such as enrollment numbers, conversion rates, and student satisfaction to evaluate the success of your launch. Gather feedback from students and participants to identify areas for improvement and make adjustments for future launches. By following these rules and investing time and effort into planning and executing your course launch, you can increase your chances of success and attract more students to your course.